How to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on General, which is the first option in here. Then you'll find Appearance. Simply click on it. After it's turned to dark mode, you can simply click on Light Theme again and wait for some seconds and again click on Appearance. Now, if it again turns dark theme, you can click on Dark Theme again in here and repeat the process by pressing on Light Theme. After you do that, another thing which you can do is go back from the YouTube app and hold on to the YouTube app in the home page. Then click on App Info. In here, click on Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.